Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my vanity tour and how exactly I've organized it. So pehle mera vanity used to be in my walk-in wardrobe. I'm going to make sure to link that video in the description box below in case you want to watch that. But the placement of the vanity just did not make sense inside because I shoot most of my videos यहाँ पे. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा back and forth हो जाता था. So we've brought our vanity out here in the living room. Again, living room tour also will be linked in the description box below in case you want to check it out. So for my vanity, I've basically bought two Alex 9 drawers from IKEA. I feel like the storage that those two provide for me is enough for all of my stuff. So that's what I'm using. So over time, I've just collected so much stuff and it got really cluttered. There was no organization. Everything was everywhere. There was no like system in place. So I desperately needed to sort everything out, and that is exactly what I did. Basically, I just got a bunch of different organizers from IKEA. I feel like IKEA has the cheapest ones available and they're available in so many different sizes. So I use those to make different categories like foundations एक में डाल दिए, concealers एक में डाल दिया, serums एक में डाल दिया, moisturizers एक में डाल दिया. You get the gist. That's basically how I went about it. Before we get any further, I do realize that I own a lot of stuff. I've really tried to downsize and just keep like the bare minimum. But I need options. This is my job. So I hope you guys understand. And having said that, with an open mind, let's get started with today's. So we're finally ready with our complete organized system. So we've had this for a week at this point and I've been loving it. I feel like since everything has a place, like proper compartments है हर चीज रखने के लिए, everything is so organized and mess create नहीं होता है क्योंकि मुझे पता है उसको वापस वही रखना है. So it's just been so great and I can't wait to share with you guys the in-depth tour. I think let me begin from the top. So basically ये दोनों Alex 9 drawers are from IKEA. I've moved these from the inside, from the walk-in wardrobe, as you must have already seen. I got them here in the living room because it just made a lot more sense. Please do go watch my living room tour to know more. I'll link it down below. So let's start from the top. So यहाँ पे we just have a little bit of decor which I already had. So I just put it up on the wall. We have a plant and then here we have my skincare fridge. Now the skincare fridge, I mainly only keep my sheet masks. I like to use my sheet masks really cold. It just feels really fresh and like refreshing. Then here we have this tray. So this tray again is from Amazon. I'll make sure to link everything that I've spoken about in the description box below in case you want to buy it for yourself. Then we have a candle, again love candles, and then we have this really cute golden mirror which I got from Westside. It's very functional because I do like to do my makeup here. Then we have our Simba Lifestyle brushes. I'll link them down below because obviously those are the only brushes that I use. Makes sense to have them on top. Again, very user friendly. And then यहाँ पे पीछे I just have a box full of tissues. If you've been doing a makeup, you know tissues do come in handy. So I have that little situation happening on the top. I think now we can move on to the drawers. So let's begin with my skincare bar, what I like to call it. So यहाँ पे basically सारा skincare है जो मुझे possibly चाहिए होगा. So let's start with this drawer. At the back we have lots of sheet masks. We have hand masks, foot masks, every kind of like moisturizing mask that you could think of. I've kept here at the back. Then here I have my face razors. One quick hack that I like to do is I like to use a marker and I like to put tally marks on here to see कि मैंने कितने बार razor use किया है, because you're not supposed to use a razor too many times. Then here I have my face tools and then here is like proper skincare. So moisturizers, sunscreens. I've been currently loving serums, so we have lots of serums right here. Then we have some lip stuff like lip products, toners, and then यहाँ पे है micellar water. So that's my little skincare section. Moving on to the second set of drawers. Now this is where the makeup really begins. Warning, I do own a lot of makeup, but I've really downsized. I know having like 15 foundations is not downsized, but for me, someone who uses, and makes content every single day, you need to have a little bit of variety. यहाँ पे है सारे foundations. foundations, we have concealers right here, primers, sponges, and then setting spray. So this is like the face base wala section. I love it so much, and everything goes back to where it belongs, so mess nahi hota hai. And then here we have some more face products. So we have blushes, we have highlighters, we have contour products, yahan pe powders hai. And then here is like body stuff, like body glow, glitter, stuff like that. So on to the third set of drawers. Now this is for the eyes. So I'm gonna begin from here. So यहाँ पे बहुत ही simple है, कुछ भी complicated नहीं है. मैंने सिर्फ वही eyeshadow palettes रखी है that I feel like have something different to offer. तो यहाँ पे है all the eyeshadow palettes, and then here we have all the eye stuff. So we have mascaras. I literally have like 3 mascaras because mascaras expire. So I don't like to hold too many क्योंकि every 6 months you need to throw out your mascara. यहाँ पे है kajals, like black kajals. यहाँ पे है brow stuff. Then we have colorful eyeliners, and then we have some more black liquid liners, and then here we have pressed pigments या फिर eyeshadows, liquid eyeshadows, stuff like that. Then we have some more makeup. Here I just have all of my lipsticks. Now my lipsticks are also categorized quite well, I would like to say. So here we have all the pinks, then we have my everyday shades here, we have the reds right here, we have some glosses, some browns, and then some lip liner. Random है काफी drawer. So we have all of my glues and like eye stuff. We have like mini scissors, tweezers, stuff like that. यहाँ पे मेरे extra mirrors का भी वीडियो शूट करने के लिए लगा, ईयरबड्स मेकअप फिक्स करने के लिए, एंड देन आई लैशेस. सो दिस इज लाइक अ रियली रैंडम मिसलेनियस ड्रॉर. यहाँ से शुरू होता है हेयर का सेक्शन. माई स्ट्रेटनर्स, कर्लर्स, क्रिम्पर्स, ऑल द हीट टूल्स आर राइट हियर. एंड देन आई फील लाइक दिस इज, आई हैव टू से लाइक वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट ड्रॉर्स because of how like pretty everything is right here. So we have tiny little rubber bands, we have proper black rubber bands, we have bobby pins, some more clips, like cute fancy clips, and then these like clips when you need to, you know, style your hair, put your hair back. So this is a hair drawer. We have one more hair drawer actually. तो यहाँ पे है सारे accessories. तो यहाँ पे पीछे है scrunchies, यहाँ पे है clips. Claw clips are really trendy. So we have all the accessories right here, and then here we have all of my extensions. So I have my expensive like human hair wale extensions stored here, but then I also have like these fake Amazon ones that you can get for like 200-500 rupees. So I've actually used this red one to create like a red ombre look. एक बार मैंने Instagram के लिए किया था. मेरे पास एक pink वाले भी पड़े हैं. Feeling creative, I can use these. Here again we have some more hair related products. I promise this is the last hair drawer. तो यहाँ पे left में है मेरा bleaching stuff. मैं घर पे जब बाल कलर करती हूँ मैं ये products use करती हूँ. And here we have just like different tools. You can spray some hairspray on this and like put your hair back. We have another brush. Now this I like to put it in brown eyeshadow and conceal my hairline. ऐसे सब weird random tools है यहाँ पे. So we have all of my hair oils right here, and then my serums and heat protectant sprays. So that's what sits right here. This one is the last one that I'm gonna show you. ये जो दूसरे 3 drawers है, this has like, I don't want to say confidential stuff, but basically products that I am going to be talking about in the future. So like all the brand products are right here. So this drawer has all of my nail products. Now I've basically stopped getting extensions altogether. I don't know when my nails are going to be healthy enough for me to get extensions again. So tab tak I'm gonna be using press-on nails. So we just have so many press-on nails right here. And yeah, let's take a mini break for today's giveaway. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products that I've spoken about in today's video in the description box below. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!